If you have a myViewBoard file that you've saved and you want to open it, here's how you do it. Let's go ahead and find the folder icon or the file management icon in the main toolbar. You'll notice that when you click it, the default option is Open OLF, which we can see here on the left. That's what whiteboard files are called, are OLF files. I can get it from my local drive or my cloud drive, which you can see I have here. One finger to scroll up and down. And then once you find the file you want to open, just give it a double tap. What it's going to do is it's going to open that file into myViewBoard. It's still interactive, right? So I can go back and edit or make changes. I want you to notice up here at the top, see how it opened in a new tab? That's because myViewBoard uses tabs. So originally I was over here on this tab, you can see where we started, but when I opened my whiteboard file, it opened it up in a new tab for me. Let's open up another file just to see it one more time. So I'm going to go ahead and open this OLF here, double tap, and you're going to see again it opens it. It's still interactive, but it is now in a new tab. And this is just a feature of myViewBoard to help keep all of your files separated.
Our ViewSonic certified trainers are excited to work with you. If you'd like to have someone on site or virtually guide you through a hands-on learning, please reach out to pdteamus@viewsonic.com.